Hey there, social media fam. Are you ready to kickstart your day with a healthy and refreshing twist? Well, we've got something exciting in store for you today. Introducing the High-Speed Mini Portable Juicer, your ultimate companion for on-the-go juicing and blending adventures. Now, we know you're probably wondering, what makes this juicer so special? Let us break it down for you. With its compact and portable design, this little powerhouse allows you to enjoy freshly squeezed juices anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at the office, hitting the gym, or exploring the great outdoors, the High-Speed Mini Portable Juicer has got your back. But wait, there's more. This juicer is not just about convenience, it's also about power. Equipped with a high-speed motor, it effortlessly pulverizes fruits and veggies into smooth and delicious concoctions within seconds. Say goodbye to lumpy and chunky drinks, and hello to silky smooth goodness. And guess what? Cleaning up after your juicing session is a breeze too. The High-Speed Mini Portable Juicer features a detachable design that allows for easy disassembly and cleaning. Simply rinse the parts under running water, and you're good to go. No more scrubbing and struggling with stubborn residue. Now, let's talk about versatility. This juicer is not just limited to making refreshing juices. Oh no, it can do so much more. With its innovative design, you can whip up tasty smoothies, protein shakes, and even baby food. The possibilities are endless. And here's the cherry on top, the High-Speed Mini Portable Juicer is available at an incredibly affordable price. We believe that healthy living should be accessible to everyone, and this juicer is here to make that possible. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought juices and hello to homemade goodness. So, are you ready to take your juicing game to the next level? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own the High-Speed Mini Portable Juicer. It's time to embrace a healthier lifestyle, one sip at a time. Grab yours today and join the juicing revolution. Your taste buds and body will thank you for it. Cheers to a vibrant and energetic life.